Hi guys, welcome to Waihua's video channel. This is a high voltage sensor controller, designed for use with the 8mm IR sensor. It connects gauge function between hand sweeping and door trigger, and multi-head from 1 to 3 by rotating the knob. It features a wide voltage input of alternating current 100 to 240 volts and 3 output modes. Before powering on, please ensure the wiring is properly secured, and the protective cover is screwed on. After powering on, the blue indicator light will flash, indicating normal operation. Connect the sensor to the high voltage box. Select the door control function and the number of sensors 1. The blue indicator light flashing indicates successful selection. When pointing to one head, you can turn off the light by closing one of the doors. When pointing to 2 heads, closing either of the 2 doors will turn off the light. When pointing to 3 heads, you need to close all 3 doors to turn off the light. Switch to hand sweeping function. You can turn the light on or off by operating any of the sensors. It is worth noting that the multi-head selection knob does not affect the hand sweeping function. For door trigger only, the high voltage controller can also connect high voltage lamps, as well as low voltage light strips via an LED transformer. This high voltage box is suitable for lighting systems in furniture such as cabinets and wardrobes. Thank you for watching this video.